would like to start by introducing the team with their roles and responsibilities. Yeah. So here is our team. So we have product owner Madhumita. So she is responsible for defining and prioritizing the project backlog and ensuring the delivered project meets business objectives. Myself, Aayushi Mathur, I am Scrum Master, and I have responsibility to facilitate and support the Scrum process and to remove impediments to the team's progress, also to promote a culture of continuous improvements. We have a development team, myself, Aayushi Mathur, Madhumita Mallick, Tanvi, and Lensa. We are cross-functional group responsible for delivering increments of a project and to collaborate to design, prototype, test, and integrate features. So our project is online auction system. It is a mobile application designed to facilitate auction activities over the internet, enabling users from around the world to participate in buying and selling items through a competitive bidding process. The system aims to expand a Freem's traditional on-site auction business into a global online marketplace like eBay. So our project purpose and goals to develop an online auction system like eBay to enable the client to expand their on-site auction business to the internet, also to attract customers globally, and to provide an intuitive and secure platform for users to register and list items, place bids, and manage their accounts. And also enabling the administrator to manage auctions, users, and generate reports for business analysis and decision making. Yeah. So from here, Lensa will present the next slide.
So the key features are user management for registration, login, user auction management, user registration for new users where they can register by providing their details, including username, real name, password, shipping address, and optionally credit card information. For user login, it's used for registered users where they can log in to access their accounts and perform transactions. Bidding item is for users where they can place the bid on any item. User auction management is users can view add products for auction and can also extend expired date for added bid item. Admin is for registration and login. Admin auction management is for item listing and categorization. Item listing, registered users can list items for auction by providing item details, starting bid price, and optional images. Report generation is for admin where they can generate report of auction items. For the project process and methodology, we utilized the Agile Scrum methodology, where it allows for iterative and incremental development, promoting flexibility and continuous feedback. The project will be divided into sprints, each lasting 1 week. All purpose of project development process will be followed until completion of the project. So there were initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and controlling track progress, closure status, and we also had a weekly stand-ups where we conducted in teams to discuss progress and hurdles. Tanvi, you can continue with the next slide.
Schedule is a function requirement, start date and due date by the signing by the name. This is the type of the shown in the demo. Function requirement, user register and login. User can register by provide detailed information, and also system should verify by username and password during the login. View item. Guest and registered user can view item for sale. By item, user can place the bid on any item. And auction management, a user can put item up for auction with the description starting price and option A picture. A user case diagram. So user start browser item view detail, then register can log in after the first they do manage profile buy on item, then list item for auction, and also same thing for admin. Uh, Admin management auction and management diagram and journal report. Online auction flow chart. So this is the flow chart shown in the demo in the Figma by the Madhumita.
All right. So throughout this process of the project management, we explored and learned the interactive prototyping tool Figma. We learned about quick and comprehensive plan document, how to compose this document. We learned the complete project management process here. And now I will show the prototype we have developed for our app. So for our application, for our mobile application, we have developed 3 flows. The first is user flow, where we will show the bidding flow. The second user flow is the auction flow, where user will put the item for auction. And the third flow is the admin flow. I'll start with the bidding flow. This is the home page of our app. Now here, any user can search for any item. They can scroll, they can browse through different items categories. Now, if they want to put the bid, they have to register. They will click on the register button. Here, they will provide their email address and password, and they will confirm the password and will click on the sign up. On the next screen, they will log in by providing their email address and password and will click on the login. This is their home page. Over here, they can again scroll through different categories of items. They can click on the any picture or any item, and they can see the details of that item. Now, if they want to put the bid on any certain item, they can search also. So over here, for example, user is searching for clock. After typing the item name over there, they will click on the search button, and then this page will come up where all the different type of clock which has been put for the bidding will display. From this list, they can choose whatever they want to bid for. For example, user will click on this one. The detail about this clock will be displaying over here, and they have the option to enter the bidding price here. After entering the bidding price, they will click on the bid now button. Now the system will display the successful message and the detail of that item. Now from here, user can go back to the home, or they can sign out, or they can add the different product also. So I'll show the second flow now, which is user auction flow. Now again, to put the item for auction, they will have to log into the system. They will enter into the system by providing the email address and password, and will click on the login. Now here, this is the home page. From here, they will click on the product, and they will come on this page. This page initially blank because there isn't any item put for the auction right now. So the count is 0 and the item list is also blank. Now they will click on the add product button, and this screen will come up where they will enter the detail of the item that they are going to put for the auction. After entering the item, they can also upload the picture by clicking here the upload photo button. After that, they will click on the submit button. Everything will be stored in the database. On the next screen, they will provide the shipping and billing information. From here, if they change their mind, they can click on the discard button also, or they can continue. So after clicking on the continue button, the message will display that everything has been submitted successfully. Now, if the user decides to change any information for the item that has been put on the auction, they will click on this image, and everything will display again. They have the option to change whatever they want. Right now, we are giving the functionality to just change the time. So after clicking on the extend time button, they can enter the new date over here, and then they will click on the submit. And then they will come back to their dashboard again, and here the count of the item which has been put on the auction will display, and the name of the item will display in the item list. From here, from this page, they can click on the add product and they can add another item for the auction, or they can click on the home to go back to the home. I will show the admin flow now. This is again the login screen for admin. They will log in by providing the email address and password. This is the admin dashboard. They have different type of functionality, like they can manage the product categories, they can generate the report, and they can manage the auction also. But I'll show the report flow first. By clicking on the report, they will come to the this report page. Over here, they will see the bidding report, or they can generate different type of report. So if I click on the generate button, it will generate the report and display the message that the report has been generated and saved into their local. They can from here they can either go back to their home, and they can sign out also. Now, if I click on the home, I'm again on the admin dashboard. From here, we can go to the auction management also, and this will show the detail of all the auction item that has been put for the auction. All the necessary information will display here. From here, they can download the list, or they can go back to the home, or they can sign out. So this is the 3 different flow for our mobile app.
The primary goal of this project was to develop a secure and efficient online auction management system. Throughout the semester timeline, we successfully created the prototype of key features such as user management, auction management, reporting, and real-time bidding update. Despite facing challenges related to learning new tools, concept of project management, and working with the different schedules and availability of team members, we overcame those obstacles by our hard work and dedication. In conclusion, by continuing development work based on these laid foundation, a secure, reliable, and efficient platform can be developed for online transaction. Thank you.